Hey there, I'm so excited that you took a minute to look at this video. I know you can hear the music in the background that say, I give myself away. Hey, are you really giving yourself away? We are in 2013 and many of you that are watching this video have not truly given yourself away completely to the Lord. You have so many gifts inside of you, and I know you don't want them to go to the grave with you. God would not be pleased with that. I want to welcome you again to our Elect Lady Sons of Thunder School of Ministry. I am the Chancellor and Founder, Dr. Sandy Murphy. And I want you to know that I'm inviting you to join us in our 2013 school calendar opportunities. Got quite a few here and want to share with you what God is doing in this ministry. And I know you're going to be blessed. We have a host of linked professors that are working with us, and even some of our alumni students that's going to be teaching under that anointing that they got through this school. And listen, you want to give yourself away this year. God wants to use those gifts. Don't matter what the devil said. Don't matter how they pushed you back. This is the year that you must manifest in the spirit realm where God is saying, give it all to me. I gave it to you. It is important that you give it back. So here we are. What you're going to do is you're going to go to www.elected.webs.com. That's like you've been elected. www.elected.webs.com. And listen, in 2013, we've got some wonderful classes that God is going to do. Now, if this is your first time in ministry and you have never been ordained or licensed, but yet maybe you need refreshing or you need to see right where you are in the spirit realm, this is a school for you. We're going to take you through the practicums so you won't just be lectured to, but you have got to demonstrate. And so we want to show you some of the areas in the fivefold for not only in our fivefold licensing and ordination program, but we also have our new PhD program. We also have a mentoring program and our professional certification program that you'll be able to have practicums and study with. Also, I'm excited to announce, you know about all the bloodshed that's going on in this state today and around the world. We have our new School of Mental and Spiritual Wellness. Yes, God gave me that to start. I've had so much experience in mental and spiritual development and teaching. He said to grab those people together that's working with me in partnership, and guess what? You have the opportunity now to enroll in our School of Mental and Spiritual Wellness, and we surely need it for such a time as this. We know that there's a fine line between medicine and spirituality and demonology, and we want to make sure that you know that you can get involved and get certified so you can be equipped to help the school districts, to help colleges, to help those people even in your own family who are dealing with mental health issues. And so here we go. What you're going to do is you're going to go to our site. You have from now, even beginning January 17th, all the way up to September 17th to enroll in our classes. We now have online classes, and many of our classes are free. That is our introductory classes. They are free, and those are our lections. You'll even have an opportunity to get some sessions with Sandy, which is free, and those give you some mental health and some relationships, because I know a lot of y'all are going through a lot of relationship issues and marriage issues, and so God has anointed me for such a time as this to build families. And so you want to get on our site, look at that, see where God is using you in the area of any of these that I call out to you, and let God use you and truly give yourself away. Now, first of all, you go to the website. You have to go to our tab that says click for orientation requests. Go on there, click for orientation requests, and then once we get that form from you, we will contact you. If you have more questions, you can call us on our school line at 281-231-8897. That's 281-231-8897. And then we'll give you more person one-on-one questions. And give us 24 to 48 hours to call you back. We promise to do that. Now here we go. When you click on that tab and fill out that form, what you get is an enrollment opportunity to say, I want orientation. Then after that, when you do that, you have an opportunity to get on our orientation list to listen to our orientation line. And then after you listen to that line, you can get ready to enroll in our classes. One of the areas that we want you to look at for those who are already ordained or licensed is our specialty care certification programs. Now, the specialty care says that you're going to be qualified for professional development, for employment and workforce, and those things to bring up your resume higher and things like that, and even get opportunities in jobs, especially in mental health today. We have much need for that. So here we go. Our link opportunities for those who are getting ready to go through our program that you're being mentored right now. You need to be ordained, and you already went through our licensing program, or you want to be enrolled in our PhD program. All you have to do is call that number I gave you at 281-231-8897. Let me know that you're interested in going through our PhD program, or you are licensed and you want to be ordained through our school. You'll have to, first of all, qualify for those that are being licensed already, or that you're brand new in our school. You have to take what is called our spiritual boot camp. You have to take our full spiritual boot camp study, and that's going to be delivered through our link professors, who are, one is our link professors is through WIN Ministries, and then the other one is through Faith in the Fire. There's 2 classes that we require that you take. That is the first one, spiritual boot camp, and then the other one is Journey Through Purpose. You got to know your purpose, you got to know who you are, and you got to make sure you're on the right track as far as developing true fruit to bring God glory in the earth. Now, on our certification classes, this is what I'm excited about, that you'll be able to get certified for, to build your ministry growth, and also to be able to get your leaders strengthened so they can help grow the ministry and to bring income into the ministry. The first one is the specialty care, the certified specialty care counselor. That one you will be able to get to learn a free opportunity where you will learn how to set your counseling center up. Many centers are not working today because they're not going about it the right way. And so we will teach you both in the faith-based and the secular realm on how to build that center. But the specialty care certification would teach you how to build your counseling services up and also to counsel those who are hurting. And then our certified mental health crisis interventionalist. This is the one that is needed so importantly now. Certified mental health crisis interventionist. That's so important. To be an interventionist means that you're showing the people where the signs are right now before they explode, before they do a postal, before they go into another school. That's the mental health crisis interventionist. And then the certified CBA facilitator. That's the cognitive behavioral assessment. That means you're going to teach them how to assess the people, show them how to do the forms and processing those special needs for those who are hurting or going through challenges in their marriages or pre-marriage counseling. And then certified anger management facilitator. This will be able to teach for court required classes that are required to take by the courts, whether it's teens or adults. You'll be able to be certified to host those types of classes. And then certified gender sexuality education facilitator. You'll be able to educate not only those in the church, the leadership definitely know how to deal with this sensitive area today, because we have so many who are, there's an epidemic of kids who are falling prey, as well as adults, to the gay and lesbian lifestyle. So you need to know have to have the sensitivity on how to minister to this population rather than to reject them. And so it is called the Certified Gender Sexuality Educator Facilitator. And then the mental illness versus medicine demonology. We're going to have basic and advanced practicum studies. You definitely want to take that class, because many of the people that are sitting on the pews today have demons in them. Many of those that are in leadership have demon oppression. I didn't say demon possession. I said demonic oppression. And so we need to talk about that. We're going to have basic we're talking about how to, determine when to do deliverance and when to do healing. And so we're going to be talking about that training in depth in there. And also we want to let you know that we have our Power Communicator advanced studies that have come up to another level. So we want you to enroll in that for those who want to learn how to deliver your message in more than one format of preaching and teaching. We want that to go up to a whole other dimension, to draw the audience, to be able to let the people leave with practical learning techniques so that their lives can change and to be an impact. And then clergy, here we go. This one is so needed. The clergy personal and pulpit etiquette. We got so many in the pulpit today, so many that are in leadership today that are totally out of order in the pulpit, bringing disgrace to leadership and to God. And so we want to make sure that You learn how to have the etiquette, not only in your personal life, but at the pulpit. And so then finally, you know we need this one, and I thank God that this one is coming forth this new year. We have so many that's been attacking their bodies, and I definitely can attest to that because I love to eat cookies. I know you know that. And we need to recognize that our bodies have to stay healthy. The temple belongs to God. And so we want to offer this class to you. It's called Clergy Spiritual and Physical Self-Care. You need that. There's so many more opportunities that you will have in getting enrolled in Elect Lady Sons of Thunder School of Ministry and Mentoring Academy. So many opportunities. We've had so many wonderful testimonies. Go on our website. To God be the glory. He's done so many wonderful things through this school. And guess what? We're looking forward to you saying yes to the Lord, no to the devil, and most importantly, to give yourself away this year in 2013 like never before. Looking so forward to serving you, and whatever you do, make sure you email this to another one you know that is just holding on to that gift and won't give it away. Tell them, come on now, we've got to say yes, and we've got to completely give ourselves away. God bless you. Looking so forward to serving you, and so are our teams who are ready to serve you too. WIN School of Ministry and Faith in the Fire. The professors there are waiting to serve you, to take you up higher this 2013. God bless you. Look so forward to seeing you and serving you. Thanks for listening.